Hygge. Hygge. An uncountable noun. Okay, this word comes directly from Danish, maybe from Norwegian as well, but I think from Danish. Let's see, this is a Danish word for coziness, feeling warm, comfortable, safe, yeah, doing nice, homely things. This warm feeling that comes from spending time with your family, doing things at home, making your house look nice. Yeah, so Christmas is a season of hygge. Yeah, it's a time where you are warm and comfortable at home. It gives you this feeling of contentment and well-being. Yeah, I think the Danes regard hygge as a defining characteristic of the Danish culture. Yeah, so I think it's important to have some hygge in your life. It's this warm, good feeling that you feel content, you feel good about yourself. You're with your friends. Everything's happy. Everything's wholesome. Yeah. So in winter, at Christmas, everyone's at home, everyone's celebrating. You're with your friends, yeah, and it's there is this hygge all around, and this is the idea of hygge, yeah, a state of happy contentment, yeah. So what is hygge to you? I think maybe sitting by the fire listening to your favourite music with your family doing other things around you, or doing fun things at home from with your family. Yeah, so it's like you're at peace with the world. You're at peace with your family, and you feel really good about yourself. Yeah, it's a very relaxing thing. Yeah, I think you can also use this as an adjective as well. Yeah, the party gave me this wonderful hygge feeling. Okay, I think particularly I would use this word in some sort of Scandinavian context. But hygge, I think it's a great word to include in an essay. I think if we all had more hygge in your lives, the world would be a better place. Yeah, it's a really good feeling. Yeah, this feeling of being loved by your friends, by your family. It's sort of this internal warmth. Yeah, so try to find a way to bring a little bit more hygge into your daily life. Hygge's a great thing to feel. Okay, so coziness, comfort, to feel comfortable, to be enjoying the things that you do. It's a congenial environment that it's good for your emotional well-being. You feel really good about things. Yeah, a hygge experience, lighting candles for Christmas and sitting watching the Christmas movie, a Christmas movie with your kids. Yeah, this concept of hygge is, I think it's a very good thing. Yeah. Okay, so I think hygge is something that, well, we all need. Yeah, food is very central to hygge because it brings people together. Yeah, I think it's one thing to be warm and cozy, but hygge is more than this. It's a feeling of friendship, love, conviviality, warmness, safety, comfort. It's the opposite of this stark cold winter outside. So, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Would I use it informally? I think you could try using it informally, but I think better semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, this comes directly from Danish or from Norwegian, hygge. Yeah, I think primarily Danish though. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hygge.